Joe Osmus here. I'm doing another great video here out in Ocala, Florida. Right behind me here is the Pie on Broadway, or downtown Ocala, and I just met with the booking manager here and exchanged information. I'm going to send him all my links and all that good stuff so that we can hopefully set something up when I come back out here on tour. But I wanted to show you that right there. If you can see behind me with the type of pergola outcropping on the corner there, that's an outdoor patio deck. There's a bar up there, and that is the stage right there. This is right over a busy corner. How cool is that? So hopefully we can get a show set up here. Anyways, just wanted to show that to you. This is again another place that I've been reaching out to online, by phone, just wasn't making it happen. I step in, he's sitting right there at the bar, and I had a conversation. Introduced myself, shook hands with the staff as well as the man, and we're gonna make it happen. So that's it for this video, but thanks guys. Check in to the next video, please subscribe. I'll see you soon.